Hello friend, how are you? Hope all of you are very fine. Now in this video I will show you how to make a indicator on the side mirror of the Mehran car. For this you need different tools like screwdriver, plier, one screwdriver, a nail, and solution tape, silicone. These things are required. So first of all, open the bezel of the side mirror. Now and be careful because sometimes it broken down. Heat up the nail. You can use two ways. First of all, you can heat up the nail and insert a small hole on the side of the bezel. Secondly, you can use drill machine if you have at your home. Now I have heat up the nail, and you must for precautionary measure, it is very important the safety first, because you should be very careful while making hole with the nail, because sometimes it's very hot and you can burn up your hands. So make a small hole with the help of this nail. Now you can, if you have a drill machine at your home, you can make a small hole with the help of this drill machine. So as I am doing, so that's very cool, it's very good. You have to you can practice at your home. So I have made the hole, and now I have taken a LED bulb and insert it and fix it in this hole. Okay, fine. Now look at this beautiful LED bulb I have inserted in this hole, and I fixed it with silicone or something else, or with Alfie or any binding glue if you have at your home. So now I am making another hole on the other side of the mirror. So because the wire which I have inserted in the first hole, now I will take off from the second hole as well. So again I have used the first method by heating up the nail and making a small hole with the hot nail. Look at it's very hot. Yes, good, but you should be very careful because it's quite it can be dangerous for you. You must be very careful. So now again I am using the drill machine because I have shown this both method so that you can easily make a hole on the side of the mirror. So now I have taken a pair of wires. It's about 1 meter long, and now I attach this wire with the LED bulb and pass it through the holes. As you can see, now I am passing this pair of wire from these holes and fix it with the LED bulb. That's cool. Yes, very good. Now friends, it's getting a time, so be patient, and because careful work is very important. Now I am fixing the bezel on the cover, checking the mirror Okay, now I have friends. There is no need because many of you knows that there are plus or minus. There is no such type of thing is there. You can fix any wire to any other end. It is not necessary that you can say that I have to which one is positive and which one is negative. So it's not so necessary. You can fix any wire to any end. So I am fixing the wire, and now I will cover it with the any insulation, or I can put a squash tape or any solution tape, so that it can be reliable. So friends, I have taken a piece of solution tape. It's Osaka solution tape. It's very good quality, and because Osaka is always good, it gives very good results. Now I am wrapping it with the solution tape. As you see, that's cool. Friend, be careful. As you know, it's cold days, and I have a little cough because the weather is changing. So you should be very protect yourself from the cold, and you can use the mask as well. I'm sorry. So friends, I have put a, a shopping bag in this mirror because it gives a little support to the mirror. So mirror, when you are fixing the bezels I'm sorry, when you are fixing the bezel, and the mirror will be the mirror will be very fixed, and it will not move up and down or right and left. So I'm just putting the shopping bag, or you can use anything, a piece of paper or a piece of cloth, anything you want, but it just to support the mirror, so that the mirror should be tight and fixed. Okay, as you know, I have fixed the bezel, and press firmly. Friend, be careful, it's very important. Sometime if you are pushing the bezel, and it can broken the mirror, so be careful here. It's my advice. Firmly and gently press the bezel, and after pressing the bezel, you can put an Alfie, and so that it can be very very firm, and it can be you can use the Alfie here. As I am using the Alfie, it will fix quickly and strongly, because it's very strong bond. As you know, as you can see that I've used the Alfie here on the all edges of the bezel. Friend, now I have fixed the mirror. Now I'm passing this indicator wire of the indicator through the insulator, or you can it's an insulator, or you can say that it's a wire shield. I have taken a small size wire shield for protection, because the wires are very narrow and it needs some extra protection, because these wire I will pass this wire through the doors through the side doors. So be careful here. And now I have passed these wires from the from this insulating wire. That's cool, very good. Okay, now I have made a hole in the door, as I'm showing you. I will pass this wire from this hole, and from this hole I will take it to the fender of the car. So I am just passing the wire from the hole of the door, and later on I will pass this wire towards the fender of the car, where the side indicator of the car is located. I have fixed the side mirror, as that's cool, very good. It seems very beautiful. Oh, now I have screwed up the mirror. That's good, very good. I have screwed up. There are only 3 screws. You can use a plus screwdriver for this. Okay, now I have passed this wire toward the fender of the car, where the side indicators are located, and later on I will attach these wire with the indicator which is located on the side of the fender. Now I will connect this wire with the indicator located on the fender of the car. Okay friends, look at, I have pulled out the side indicator of the car fender. Now I have pulled out the wire of the side mirror. Now I will attach these wire with the I will connect this wire to the wires of the fender indicator, and I hope it will work. It will work very smoothly and very correctly. Now I have connected the wires with the indicator of fender. Now I am wrapping it with the solution tape. Okay friend, that's good, that's very fine, that's good. Now friend, that's cool. I hope it's working. It's working very good. I think so. That's good. Again, I have wrap up with the solution tape. And I will put back this indicator to its original location. It's cool. Friend, since it's my first video, it's my request all of you to subscribe my channel, like it and share with other people, so that I can bring some new videos to you, and you can receive my other videos without any break. Oh wow, that's very cool. The indicator of my mirror is blinking. That's very good. Very good. Very nice. Okay, friend. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. And again, subscribe my channel, like it, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.